Today I am talking about something special about these stocks. Here you can see how much return these stocks make in the last 5 days and how much return these stocks make in the last 1 month. If you see the last 6 months, these stocks make approx 14% return, which is good, absolutely and honestly it's good. But if you see the last 1 years, how much return these stocks make? These stocks make 76%, which is very good return. Okay, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. So what is the return these stocks make? How much return these stocks make in the last 5 years? 157% return, which is very good return. And if you see these stocks make how much return in the last whole journey, that means 1174% return these stocks make, which is class C, alphabet ins class C stocks. So always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.